The KGM modernization program for legacy small arms is a revolutionary approach to the aging service weapon arsenals found in many post-Soviet countries. With constant feedback from end users in high-intensity combat applications during the developmental phase, the KGM AK Pattern Modernization Pack is the most advanced combat-ready AK tuning kit on the market and consists of 4 key elements, bringing SOPMOD compatibility and enhanced cooling and precision to the widely available but obsolete Kalashnikov variants. All components are made with industry-leading precision from highest-strength alloys and steels and do not interfere with any factory function of the weapon, including the ability to field strip the weapon without external tools. Those 4 elements, namely the AKRS AK rail system, the LCT long contour trigger guard, the AKMI AKMLOK interface, and the AKCS collapsible stock, can be combined freely and to an extent necessary to fulfill any type of armed duty, be it motorized or foot patrol, urban combat, trench warfare, or tactical raid missions. The setup demonstrated displays an example of a low-cost, non-special application loadout, for example for soldiers placed on the second and third line of defense, or in logistics roles. It consists of an AKRS for mounting magnified and other optics, and an LCT magazine release for quicker reloads should contact occasionally occur. Note that the AKRS will fit any AK rifle in military service, including the AKM, the 74, the RPK, PSL, Zastava 308, and many others. And though developed for the AK pattern, the same rail also fits Mosin rifles and many other bolt-action legacy arms, converting them into reasonably modern sniper platforms. The newest addition to the KGM product lineup is the AKMI MLOK interface. This unique handguard was specifically designed to allow the installation of modern NATO-style underbarrel grenade launchers on AK platforms for area effect and anti-drone use. The simplicity of installation and disassembly is achieved by a GP30-style bayonet mount. Holding the handguard just as solidly and securely on the rifle aids the GP30 grenade launcher, but permitting the operator to take off the handguard with the push of a button for maintenance. In this special setup, the infrared laser for nighttime operations was moved from the AKRS lower rail to the handguard right in front of the gas block in order to achieve a lower profile and more comfortable use with the support hand. The rifle's factory sights stay accessible, even with a laser light module installed, and provide a backup in case optical sights fail. Note that the rifle's 3 o'clock and 9 o'clock now have both SOPMOD-compliant M1913 rails and MLOK slots for better cooling, giving the operator more flexibility when choosing tactical enhancements, like side-mounted bipods, for example. A slip-resistant rubber cover is provided for the handguard's 12 o'clock rail for a more secure and comfortable C-clamp when the laser light module is not installed. While the rigid architecture and uncompromising material choice permit the safe and permanent attachment and use of an M203 or M320 grenade launcher for M433 HEDP grenades, or the M24 BOLTER 40mm anti-drone shotshell for grenade launchers. Being a very powerful tool, the M24 bolter packs a heavy punch and manly recoil impulse comparable to 14.5mm bolt-action rifles. The magic of this enormous 40mm shotshell comes from the sheer number of projectiles and overpressure generated when a single bolter is fired. This number of fragments is equivalent to about 8 rounds of 12-gauge Magnum buckshot, propelling 220 grams at over 4,000 bars of chamber pressure, in contrast to 35 grams at 1,000 bars in a classic Magnum shell. Specifically designed to stay within the safe impulse mechanics a NATO-style grenade launcher is certified for, the Bolter has the single highest first-hit probability among any man-portable munition currently on the market on aerial targets within 150 meters of range.